Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Your girl is back. Woohoo! So I know it's been a really long time since I last uploaded here on my channel. The last video I believe I posted was back in November of 2018, last year. So I'm trying my best to get more active up on my channel, so please do bear with me. I've just had a really crazy year, so please bear with me. I am working my hardest to try and upload more. And without further ado, let's get right into what this video is going to be about. Based on the title, you can already see what it is about. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so I got these I got these back in May, which was around my birthday. So if you guys didn't know, my birthday was back in May, 3 months ago. I turned 20. Woo woo! I turned 20, meaning one more year until I turn 21. It's kind of scary, you guys, not gonna lie. Given the fact that it's only a few more months away of next year, a few more months until next year comes around and I turn 21. So without further ado, let's get right into what this is right here. So you can see these are the AirPods, but these are not just any AirPods. These are the second generation Apple AirPods, meaning that it has the obviously AirPods like the first generation, only the second generation is with the wireless charging case. Now you're probably thinking, why the hell would you pay $200 for AirPods with the wireless charging case? I said, well, you know what, it was my birthday and I wanted to look good, and not only that, just, you know, for appearance, but I was like, I'm in real need of new, you know, earphones, headphones, and so I was like, why not go with the wireless charging instead of having to constantly plug in? Because in case you guys didn't know, I'm one of those people that like only has like one freaking cable around, so all of my other ones have disappeared, so I only have one left. Out of all the devices that I've had that have the same cable, I only have one, which is from my iPhone 10. The other ones, they ripped, they got damaged, they got ruined, so I only have one. So with that being said, I was just like, you know what, screw it. I have a wireless charging pad, and I mean, it's a little bit more simple for me since I have my iPhone 10, which is obviously with wireless charging too. If you guys haven't noticed, I got a new phone case. It's really cute. It's from Life Proof. I love it. It's so cute. Anyways, so I was like, why not? I mean, it is gonna cost a little bit more, and I didn't want to have two cases for my AirPods, so I was just like, I'm just gonna go with the wireless charging case, second generation AirPods. So given the fact that I couldn't record when I got these because I was just like having a really busy day and I had a lot of stuff to take care of, I couldn't really have the time and I didn't record. So this is gonna be kind of, I guess you could say, an unboxing slash, I guess you could say, impression review. Not first impression, because obviously I've already used them. I just put them back in the box so I could make a video of it. So we'll just pretend that this is the first impression review and unboxing. So like if I'm unboxing for the first time. So with that being said, let's get right into guys. So obviously it comes in this case and these are the original. I did pay with my own money. Just a little disclaimer, I did pay with my own money, $200. My parents did not buy these for me, okay? So I'm just gonna put it out there, I did buy these with my own money. I even have my receipt to verify that. So yeah, so I bought these with my own money. So let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like in the front, same as the first generation. You have the little title here with the silver silver wording, AirPods wireless charging case. So that's how you know these are the second generation, and it has the picture in the back of what it looks like. And so you know that these are the second generation. You can see that it has, oops, on this side you can see it has the little light here, the little green light, because the first generation doesn't have that to show you whether it's charged or not charged. So this one shows you it. So if it's green, meaning it's charged, it's fully charged, and then if it's red, I think it'll show that it's not charged, and then when it's charging, it'll show an orange light saying that it's charging, and then green meaning it's fully charged. So here we go, we're gonna open it. And then it says designed by Apple in California. Obviously in every Apple product you have your little packet here. And then you have your little instruction manual here. It says AirPods. Kind of gives you a little step-by-step to how to connect your AirPods. So obviously turn on your Bluetooth to connect to any other device. And then when you open the case, when you open the AirPods case, make sure your phone's unlocked, and then it'll show you on the screen of your iPhone how to connect them. And then once they're connected, you can listen to music, or you can use your AirPods to talk on the phone. So that's kind of basically what this says, step by step, kind of what I just said. And then you obviously have this paperwork, and then you have the warranty paperwork. So there's that. I don't think I got stickers with this. No, I don't think I got stickers. You would have thought I would have gotten stickers, but I guess in mine I didn't get stickers. That sucks. But we're gonna put those back. Got stuck. Oops. Okay. So we're done with the packet. Let's get right into the AirPods. Whoops. And then when you take this off, you have your charging cable. I'm leaving it in here because I don't trust myself with the cable, because I've lost so many. Some of them I've lost, some of them have gone ripped, they've gone lost, they've gone damaged. So I'm gonna leave this one in here. And this didn't come with the charging brick or anything, so it just came with the cable in the back. So we're gonna go into the AirPods. I'm gonna take them out of this little sticky cover. And there you go. And then open them, and then that light goes on. So I'm gonna get my phone here, turn on my Bluetooth. Okay, there you go. So if you guys can't see it, oops, there you go. Okay, darn. Okay, I can't really show you guys. I don't know why it's not coming out, but let me see if I can lower my lighting. It's gonna show that there on the screen on the bottom here. Sorry guys, I know it looks really bright, but and then it's gonna show here. You guys can't see it. I don't know why it's not showing, but it's gonna show right there. It says Brittany's AirPods, and then it'll show you the percentage of the AirPods. I'm so sorry you guys, I don't know why it's not working. It's so weird. I don't think I've ever had this problem before. There we go. Okay, I think you guys can see it a little bit better. A little bit. So you have the AirPods here, and then you have the case here of the percentage. So let's give it a test run. So let me connect here. So I'm gonna show you guys, I guess you could say my impression, what I think of these. Okay, so it's connected. I just heard the noise, it connected. And you guys don't have to use both of them, you can just use one. I always use one instead sometimes when it comes to listening to music because my ears are very sensitive. And so to avoid, you know, my ears from hurting, because after a while of using the AirPods, my ears tend to hurt. So I always just use one. So let me see, let me get the other one. So I'm gonna put that here. I'm gonna use the other one, and then let's play some music, and then go from there. See how it goes. Whoops! I don't know if you guys can hear it. Alright, you guys, so the audio is really, really, really good. And I just gotta say, these are so much more comfortable than the headphones here, my little buddies right here. I haven't used these in forever. The only time I will use these is when I have my laptop. So in case I forget these, I have my laptop to go with these headphones. So because sometimes I will forget my AirPods, I will have to have these in my backpack to listen to music on my computer. And then I have this adapter that came with my iPhone and these headphones, because I can only have this adapter to connect because I don't have the audio input hole to connect my headphones, since the headphones do come like that. So but yeah, my impression on the AirPods, they tend to hurt my ears after a little bit, but me being as stubborn as I am, I forget to take them off when I'm listening to music and kind of give my ears a break. But the audio is really good. I really, really, really like them. I know you can also touch here on the headphones to either skip or to go to the next song, and I think you can also answer a call and end a call. I'm still learning on that since it's very, very hard to remember where to press. I don't really use that. I just kind of, you know, click from my screen. But other than that, I really, really, really like the AirPods. I think that they're worth the buy, but if you can't afford the wireless charging AirPods with the wireless charging case, I would totally recommend going with the first generation if you are trying to save money and you want to buy the wireless charging case separate. I don't know if it's the wireless charging case that comes separate or not, but I know there's a case. I just don't remember if it's just the regular case or it's the wireless charging. I'm not too sure, but if you want to go for the more affordable one, I would recommend the first generation. But in my opinion, the wireless charging is a lot better. And let me bring the sorry, I know I got a little close. Let me bring my charging pad here so you guys can see. So this is my pad. Sorry, it's a little dusty. I don't know why, anything it touches, it gets like really like dusty. So this is my wireless charging pad here, and I'm going to show you guys how it charges on the pad. So I don't know if you guys can see the orange button showing that it's charging. So this makes it a lot easier for me because my iPhone, I don't really like to use the cable sometimes, but in case I do need to use the cable, I don't have to, you know, wait around for my iPhone to charge when I can use the wireless pad instead. So yeah, you guys, for me, I am really impressed, and mind you guys, these are my first pair of AirPods. These are the first pair of AirPods that I have and that I bought. So I don't know about the other ones, but I know the other ones are kind of the same thing as this one, except this has the wireless charging case. But overall, to conclude this video, I want to say that I really give these a 10 out of 10. I think they're a really good product to use, the new generation of a way to listen to music. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did making this video. And just to show you guys, I kind of am becoming a little more open here on my channel. I'm trying to get, you know, become more comfortable. So I hope in this video you guys saw a little bit, you know, a little bit of a difference in me. So I'm trying to come out, you know, more outgoing and more friendly in my videos for the next videos to come. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a big like, and also don't forget to watch my other videos, which I will leave somewhere up here on the corners. I will leave my videos there, and I will also leave the links of my other videos that are on my channel already uploaded. I will leave them down in the description box, and stay tuned for a music cover that I did. I will be uploading it very soon. I hope you guys are excited just as much as I am. I am dying to upload this video, so hopefully you guys are just excited as I am. This is my first music cover that I have done in a really long time, and I'm a little nervous to upload it, but at the same time I'm really ecstatic and excited. So I hope you guys like it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!